Assalamu alaikum, dear learners and honorable guardians. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sheikh Farid, Senior Teacher, Scientific School and College. I welcome to all of you to my another online class. This is arranged by your favorite institution, Scientific School and College. Today I am going to discuss about Standard 5 and this is subject here English. Dear learners, today I want to discuss about sin phases. Today my topic is sin phases. I have written here one sin passage from your textbook. At first, I request to all my dear students, please take your textbook and everyone find out the phases. There is this Shaykhat Islam's in your textbook. Please take out this and everyone, please at first everyone look at the board and try to understand the sin phases. You know that if you want to answer the sin phases, at first you have to understand the sin phases and then you can easily answer the questions. Okay, now everyone look at the board. For your understanding, I have written that phases on the board. Everyone please look at the board. Here written, Shaykhat Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. Shaykhat Islam lives, Shaykhat Islam বাস করে with his parents, তার মা বাবার সাথে in a flat in Bogura, Bogura একটি ফ্ল্যাটে বাস করে। His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam is a banker, তার বাবা জনাব রাশিদুল ইসলাম একজন ব্যাংক কর্মকর্তা। But কিন্তু in his free time, তার অবসর সময়ে মিস্টার ইসলাম, জনাব ইসলাম রাইটস লিখেন স্টোরিজ গল্প অ্যান্ড এবং লিসেন টু মিউজিক এবং উনি গান শুনেন, সঙ্গীত শুনেন। সৈকত মাদার, সৈকতের মা ইজ মিসেস মনোয়ারা ইসলাম, সৈকতের মার নাম হচ্ছে মনোয়ারা ইসলাম। শি ইজ এ হাউস ওয়াইফ, তিনি একজন গৃহিণী। ইন হার ফ্রি টাইম, তার অবসর সময়ে শি এনজয়স সিউইং, তিনি সেলাই করেন। শি মেক্স ড্রেসেস, তিনি পোশাক তৈরি করেন। শি ওপেন, তিনি প্রায় গেটস অর্ডার পান বা আদেশ পান ফ্রম হার ফ্রেন্ডস, তার বন্ধুদের থেকে অ্যান্ড নেইবার্স এবং প্রতিবেশীদের থেকে। সৈকত ইজ ইন ক্লাস 5, সৈকত পঞ্চম শ্রেণীতে পড়ে। লাইক ইউ, হি ইজ এ গুড স্টুডেন্ট, সে একজন ভালো ছাত্র। হি ওয়ান্টস টু ইমপ্রুভ হিজ ইংলিশ, সে তার ইংরেজি উন্নতি করতে চায়। সো হি ওয়াচেস কার্টুনস, সে কার্টুন দেখে অন টিভিতে এভরিডে, প্রতিদিন। হি অলসো রিডস ইংলিশ বুক, সে আরও ইংরেজি বই পড়ে। হি লাইকস বুকস, সে বই পছন্দ করে অ্যাবাউট অ্যানিম্যালস স্পেশালি টাইগার্স অ্যান্ড লায়ন্স, সে গল্পের বই পছন্দ করে কি সম্পর্কে? অ্যানিম্যালস, প্রাণীদের সম্পর্কে, স্পেশালি বিশেষভাবে টাইগার্স, বাঘ অ্যান্ড লায়ন্স এবং সিংহ সম্পর্কে। দিস ইজ দ্য সিন প্যাসেজ। নাও ইউ নো দ্যাট from this passage they may ask you some question such as true or false, matching, answering question, and there is a scene passage or composition type question you can get. Okay, now today I am going to discuss about answering question. You know that matching is very easy, true or false is also very easy, and composition you can write from the topics, and for this you have some knowledge. Okay, now dear learners, now we can discuss what type of question can come from these topics. First one, look, and you know by this way we can learn also another topics for your English subject, and this is WS question. You know that how can make question. Suppose past sentence is Shaykhat Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. How many questions we can make from this sentence? First one is, looks, Shaykhat Islam lives with his parents, okay, and in a flat in Bogura. Okay, in a flat in Bogura. So from this we can make at least 3 questions. First one, if we want to make question by taking this, then what will be? With whom does Shaykhat Islam live? With whom? We can make one question. Look here, everyone, please look. with whom does Shoikat Islam live in? With whom does Shoikat Islam live in? So answer will be Shoikat Islam lives with his parents. Okay, we can make another question in a plot. So we can write here where does Shoikat Islam live with his parents in Bogura? Where does Shoikat Islam lives with his parents in Bogura? We can make this another question. And if you want to make question in Bogura, so where does Shoikat Islam live in with his parents, or where does Shoikat Islam live with his parents? The answer will be Shoikat Islam live with his parents in Bogura. I think you can easily understand. His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker. Look here. We can make many questions from this sentence also. If we underline, okay, his father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, a banker. If we want to make question by this, if we take this as W's question, his father, so we can make question from here. Who is Mr. Rashidul Islam? Who is Mr. Rashidul Islam? So Mr. Rashidul Islam is Shoikat's father. Okay, if we make question from this Mr. Rashidul Islam, if we these words take as missing words, then what will be? What is the name of Shoikat's father? What is the name of Shoikat's father? So if we you know that if you write the answer by taking similarity with the question, then it will be good. So if we question here what is the name of Mr. Shoikat, then it will be the name of Mr. Shoikat is Mr. Rashidul Islam. Is a banker. This is the occupation of Mr. Rashidul Islam. So we can say that what is Mr. Rashidul Islam? Answer will be he is a banker. Okay. Now, but in his free time, Mr. Islam writes stories and listen to music. In his free time. So this is, look here, writes stories and listen to music. So from here we can make one question. Here look here, writes, this is the here verb, and you know, look, there is ash or yes with the main verb. So you know that if there is ash or yes with main verb, if you want to make question for present indefinite tense, you have to use does here as auxiliary verb. So what will be the question? The question here, what does Mr. Islam do in his free time? What does Mr. Islam do in his free time? So we can write the answer here. Mr. Islam writes stories and listen to music. Mr. Islam writes stories and listen to music. Okay. Next sentence. Shoikat's mother is Mrs. Monwara Islam. So from here we can make two questions. First question is, who is Mrs. Monwara Islam? Answer will be Mrs. Monwara Islam is Shoikat's mother. Another question we can make, what is the name of Shoikat's mother? So Shoikat's mother's name is Mrs. Monwara Islam. Okay. Now next sentence. She is a housewife. She is a housewife. We can make question by taking these words as missing word. So what will be? She is a housewife. So what is Shoikat's mother? What is Shoikat's mother? Answer will be Shoikat's mother is a housewife. Shoikat's mother is a housewife. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. Enjoys sewing. From here, we also make another question. It will be, look here. Here also, enjoys, this is the main verb, and you look there is ash with the main verb. So we have to also make question by taking does as auxiliary verb here. So what does Mrs. Monwar Islam or she do in her free time? What does Mrs. Monwar Islam do in her free time? Answer will be, in her free time she enjoys sewing. In her free time she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She makes dresses. So from here we also can make another question. We can make two questions. First question is what? Look here also. Here also is the verb is makes, and this is also ash or yes with this verb ash. And we have to make question here also by taking does as auxiliary verb. So what does she make? What does she make? Answer will be, she makes dresses. She makes dresses. Okay. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. So from here we also can make another question. At first one is orders, then from her friends and neighbors. So if we take orders as missing words, so answer will be, what does she get? Look here, here also gets, and this is, here is the ash with main verb. So answer will be, what does she get from her friends and neighbors? What does she get from her friends and neighbors? Answer will be, she often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. If we take from her neighbors as missing words or missing sentence, then what will be? It will be, if we make want to make question, it will be from whom does she often get orders? From whom does she get orders? So answer will be, she often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Now next sentence. Shoykot is in class 5. Shoykot is in class 5. So how can we make question from this sentence? First one is, which class is in Shoykot? Which class is in Shoykot? So Shoykot is in class 5. He is a good student. He is a good student. So from here we can write one question, good student. So what type of student is Shoykot? What type of student is Shoykot? Okay, but how is Shoykot as a student? How is Shoykot as a student? So Shoykot or he is a good student. He wants to improve his English. He wants to improve his English. Look here, here is verb wants, and here is also ash. So we have to make the question taking does as auxiliary verb. So he wants to improve his English. The question will be here, what does he want to? What does he want to? So answer will be, he wants to improve his English. Another way, if we taking this as his missing words, then which subject does he want to improve? Which subject does he wants to improve? Answer will be, he wants to improve his English. So he watches cartoons on TV every day. So from here we can make another question, why does he watch cartoons on TV every day? Answer will be, she watches cartoons on TV every day to improve his English. To improve his English. Another way we can say that, why does to improve his English, what does Shoykot do? To improve his English, what does Shoykot do? She watches cartoons on TV every day to improve his English. He also reads English books. He also reads English books. From details we can say, as creative questions type of big question, what does Shoykot do to improve his English? Then we can write this, she watches cartoons on TV every day. He also reads English books. Then he likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. So what types of book Shoykot likes to improve his English? He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Okay, this is the scene faces, and this type of question may come in your examination. And from this, you know, if you want to make a composition, a short composition from these topics, and that is also true or false. True or false, that's like suppose Shaukat Islam lives with his parents in Plat in Bogura. They, instead of in Bogura, they can say you in Noakhali, then it will be false. Okay, then you know that if it is false, you have to write only false. If it is true, you can also write true. There is needed to write correct answer if it is false. Okay, his father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker. They instead of banker, they can write here is doctor. Then it will be false, and they write this is banker. Then it will be true. This way there is a creative questions. True or false. Now look, there is some matching also. Matching this also easy, because suppose Shaukat Islam lives with his parents. There are, if you they can divide this sentence as two parts. First part is left side and right, another part is right side. Then you have to match the sentence. This way you can easily do this. Okay, and the composition, they can make some question from this passage, and some question may come outside of passage. Then you have to write it from yourself, and then easily you can do this. So dear learners, I hope that you can understood this, and you can also practice this at your home. And here I have also read this, and I said this orally. You should write this at your home on your khata. Then you can easily understand this, and I hope that you have understood. And I also hope that you are completing your diary and also watching our online class. And please, everyone, watch the video, and please try to like and comment this comment box. So everyone, please keep well, take care as well. Goodbye. See you next class. Allah Hafiz.